So hi everyone, today I'm going to review the SMAYS internet adapter. So let's open the back to see what we have inside. So basically the adapter is made covered by the aluminum materials, and here the cable is covered by rubber or flexible material, and here we have the USB type A connections. So basically it's gonna work with any kind of PC or electronic devices. And here we have this LAN port that we directly connected to the internet cable. So right here I have an internet cable, and we're gonna connect it with this adapter, and this is very easy to connect. You put it in until you hear the click sound, then it means it's already connected. And let me connect to the USB port, and here check my computer, and I already see the adapter is connecting, and now let me put, for the first time it needs time to recognize the adapter. So let me open the internet browser, and we go to YouTube to see that, and the internet is already connected. And let's check the content. That is good, and we can try another website like bbc.com, and it's already loaded. And let me try to download the file. Maybe I can download the song. So we download MP3, so it's very fast. Thank you for watching.